Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send money internationally with Revolut. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Revolut mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Once I've done that, you will be on the home page of Revolut where you are going to see this transfer tab in the bottom. So you simply need to tap on transfer and then you will be landed on this transfer page where you are going to see this new button in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you simply need to click on this new button. After that, you will be shown this type of pop-up where you are going to see a bunch of different options that you can add on Revolut. So among the given options, you will have to select Send International. Afterwards, you will be able to see a bunch of different countries in front of you. So you just have to select that particular country in which you want to transfer your money. After selecting it, you will be asked to enter the amount that you want to transfer. So in this section, you just have to provide the amount that you want, and then you can even add any reference if you want. Afterwards, you need to press continue. Once done, you will be redirected on this account details page where you need to provide the information relating to that particular account in which you are going to transfer your money from Revolut. So basically, you need to provide country of recipient's bank, then currency, account number, BIC/SWIFT number, and after filling these details, you will have to press continue in the bottom. Afterwards, you will be shown this schedule page where you can even schedule your transfer. So in order to schedule it, you just have to select the date and you will have to select whether you want to repeat it or not. Then you will have to press continue. Once done, you will have to follow further on-screen instructions and then you will be landed on this final page where you will be shown that you have successfully scheduled this much amount to this person, and on this date this transfer will automatically take place and the other person is going to receive the money within 3 to 5 business days. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.